Okay, guys and gals, this is a test on the garage door opener. I told you the one had stripped gears, so I'm not bothering with that one. This one here, you can see the light is on, so it has power. And look at that. She works. Yeehaw! Before the end of this day, I'm going to have power door opener on my garage door again. Yeehaw! I'm back. I got my garage door opener up. Let's try it out. Huh? How's that? The only thing I need to find now is a remote that'll work with this opener. And I'm going to do a little research online. I had 2 or 3 other remotes from different brands, but they wouldn't work. So I just gotta find a remote for an extreme garage door opener. But what more could you ask for? Beautiful. It works! Yeehaw! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do an our Peak and Trish Peak Happy Dance. Now I need a rest. See ya. Thanks for watching.